Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Bully Acts Tough with Police Until Reality Hits Him Hard. Nobody likes a bully.
You're not getting please. Why are you tasing? No, stop.
Hey, what are you getting out of the car for? No, you're going to stay right there. I pulled you over.
Going to the store.
Your license plates are expired. Your license plates are expired.
Is there anybody else in the car with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit down in the car, please. Have you seen the car?
Like I said, what's the reason you guys pulled me over for?
My man.
You see police lights, you don't just hop out of the car and go on about your business because you don't know why you got pulled over.
My man, keep your hands up.
Come on, as a grown man, why are you even wearing that? What you got going on, man? What the hell is this?
Car, please. Have you seen the car?
Like I said, what's the reason you guys pulled me over for?
My man.
You see police lights, you don't just hop out of the car and go on about your business because you don't know why you got pulled over.
My man, keep your hands up.
Yeah, because I saw you since over there. I saw you were gonna pull me over. I knew you were on bullshit. So like I said, what are you?
I'm on bullshit? Oh, right, come over here.
Yeah, what are you pulling me over for?
Come over here. I told you why. Right there. Your plates are expired. So I'm not on bullshit. So let's start this over. So we're gonna stop. You're gonna give me your driver's license.
Okay, so my license is expired.
Your license plate's expired. Yes. So I'll need your driver's license and your proof of insurance for this car.
I don't think those are expired already.
Well, I mean, it's what you know what date today is?
Holy fuck.
Today's October 31st, which is after
So
September,
can I just
right?
get my ticket for this then and then be on my way?
You got to give me your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Well, everything's under that place, so can't you
Okay,
get
I'm
it
not
right
asking you
here?
for that. I'm asking you for your driver's license and proof of insurance.
I'm telling you, you could go out
I'm
by the
telling you to
plate.
give me your driver's license and proof of insurance. If you don't give me your driver's license, I'm going to assume you don't have one, and therefore I'm going to arrest you, and then I'm going to tow
You're
your
gonna
car.
arrest me for an assumption that you're wrong about?
Okay, you don't give me your driver's
look
license.
at what you're talking about. You don't make no sense.
Give me your
don't make
driver's
no
license.
For what? You could go
I
out
told
by the
you why.
plate.
Are you
said
gonna
you
give me
could
your
go out-
driver's license, or
Can
am
I
I gonna
just get
arrest
my
you and take you to the
ticket?
station?
Can I just get my ticket?
If you would give me your driver's license, yes, I would love to give you a
what?
ticket.
My man, you have to, by law, give him your driver's
I
license.
don't though,
You do.
because
You do.
I'm telling him he could go out by the plates.
My man,
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
hands behind your
Wait,
back.
for
Nope.
what?
Don't fight. Don't fight. You want to play games. You wanted to play games. Wow.
You fight, I'm going to take you down.
Why is this going to
Put your
happen?
hands behind your back.
Dude, I need help. Can you call your sergeant?
Get down.
Hey, Rob, hold me, bro. Put your hands behind your back. Why are you tasing me? No, stop.
Move.
Okay.
Ooh.
Put your fucking hand behind your back.
Okay, hey, okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ooh. Hey, Elmo they about to get him together. I ain't gonna lie, that dog is ready to get the Cookie Monster, boy.
Record this shit, bro. Hey, record this shit. Grab my phone and record this. Hey, record this, bro.
Victor 1L1 in custody. Victor 2 ready.
All over a driver's license.
Y'all couldn't. I was asking y'all a question. What is your problem? What do you mean?
Stop f***ing moving.
Stop. Dude, stop.
You need to calm down.
I was asking these questions.
Motherfucker, we asked you for your driver's license. You play games.
I was only asking
No.
questions.
No, you
You're
don't.
being done. Get the f*** up. You're under arrest.
Roll over. You play games.
Oh, my hand.
Everybody's got games.
Oh, my hand. Dude, look, my hand, please. Can you please fix my hand? Ah.
He's not gonna help you anymore.
Who-
We're done.
I'm asking questions.
Roll over.
You guys.
Sit up. Roll that knee. We're gonna roll. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roll. Battle boy. Let's go. Next
Here's mine.
Let me call my.
No, you ain't calling nobody.
Dude.
You're under arrest.
Dude, you're not getting it.
Dude,
You're not getting it.
please, please.
Dude, let's go.
We should play a game. Yes, you are. Hey, call your sister. Get in the car. Get in your sergeant, please. Call it anybody. Get on your sergeant.
Oh my
Get
God.
in the car. No, can you call your sergeant?
You
Call
can
your
talk to the station.
sergeant.
Get in the car.
Ah.
She'll be in there to talk to you. Get in.
Oh.
Child, get up.
Stop acting like a child. Get up.
Dude, I just wanted to talk to somebody.
You can talk to nobody. Get in the car. You are under arrest. Your rights are gone.
Why? Why am I under
Get
arrest?
up.
Why am I under
We
arrest?
told you.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
You
I
just
did.
told me to put my
And
hands.
get in the car.
Why am I arrested?
Told you. Get up.
Why? Can you please tell me,
You
please?
didn't give me your driver's license. Now you're under arrest for fighting the police like some cops. Get up, get in the car, you're going to jail.
I was not denying you my license.
Yes,
I
you
was
are.
asking questions.
Bro, it's all on body camera.
I
Get
asked
up.
you one time. That's all I have to ask.
Gennaro, I do
Listen
know.
to me. Listen to me carefully, okay? You are under arrest. Just don't interrupt. Let me talk. I'll let you talk. Listen, just hang on, okay? You're under arrest. You fighting it like this is only going to make things worse.
I just want to
This is
speak
what
to
you, hold on.
somebody.
This is what you need to do. You need to get up. You need to get in the car. When you get to the station, the supervisor will.
speak to somebody right
the
now, 'cause
supervisor's at
everything's-
the station.
The
She's
way
going
you
to talk
guys
to you
treat me,
there.
this shit's like,
The supervisor. It's all on body camera.
Okay, and
So
I was
you're not
asking
helping.
questions.
Listen, you're not helping your
you guys are
situation.
saying that I wasn't complying. Yes,
My
I
man.
was complying.
My man.
You're under arrest. That's the end of it.
You arrested me without probable
You
cause.
don't know what probable cause is.
You know nothing.
haven't-
It never fails to amaze me when people just start blabbing out like rights and laws and whatever that they think is right, but they have no idea what the hell they're talking about, man. You really just look like a fool. This guy looks like, I mean, but clearly he don't care, you know what I'm saying? Because he came out the house dressed like that, man. So clearly he don't care about looking like a fool, but man, damn.
8th grade education. Get up.
What are you talking
Get
about?
up. Let's go, man.
Get up, bro.
Dude, can I speak to somebody?
You will at the station.
No, right now.
No, you're going to the station. We're past that.
You guys asked me for my passport and everything. I was getting to that.
No,
It's the
Passport.
same thing, bro. Everything's above my passport.
Listen, you want to talk to the supervisor? You're not going to sit on the ground for 20 minutes.
Can I just talk to him right now? Then can you
Because
send
she's
me
at the
over
station.
there?
You got to talk to her there.
Why?
Get in the car.
Call her over here.
No, this isn't where you think it is. Let's
By
go.
law,
Get
you
up.
guys could have to call her here,
No, you are
please.
100% incorrect again. Get up. You clearly need a law education. Get
No,
up.
I've been.
You do.
Dude,
You do.
please.
YouTube is not your friend. Get up.
Dude, what are you talking about?
Get up, dude.
You guys asked me for my license and everything. I was getting to that.
No,
you
you
just
weren't.
took me.
I think the guys on YouTube is doing a good job. Now, TikTok, on the other hand, yeah, those guys, yeah, you don't want to learn nothing from no TikTok, man. But I think the YouTube guys is okay.
down.
You played games. Get up. Come on, you're going to the station.
For what?
Come on, let's go.
Please tell me for what?
We told you. You're fighting again. Come on,
dude. You're resisting. Stop resisting.
You will at the station. Get in the car.
Hey!
We tried.
Let me know. No, please, I'm not resisting.
You're just gonna. Yeah, you are resisting.
Can I talk to him, please? Can I talk to him?
Get in the car. I'll bring him over here
Can I
to your
please
window.
talk to you?
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Dude, can I please talk to you? Sit in the car.
Hey, sit in the car and no one's gonna talk to you.
I want to talk to somebody.
That's fine, but you're gonna do it in the car. Get in the car, stop being like this,
I just
and then we'll
wanna
bring
talk-
your friend over here and Roberto can talk to you through the window, okay? You're an adult.
I wanna
Get in the
talk
car
to
yourself.
somebody.
Okay, give us 5 minutes. Sit in the car. You're making a scene.
5 minutes, you guys could have talked to me out there before you guys did all
In
this.
the car, and then we will talk to you. Be an adult.
Please, I'm being an adult. You guys are being insubordinate right now. What is this?
Okay, that's fine. Get in the car.
I'll give you the definition of that when we get in the car. Come on. Get in
Can
the
I
car.
please just talk to
Get in
somebody
the car.
above you
kidding.
guys?
You're in the car.
Can I please talk to somebody
Dude,
above you
You
guys?
need to stop.
Look, dude,
My
you
man.
asked me for my license.
Insubordinate?
You obstructed
Oh my
the whole time. Get in the car.
Because I was like,
No, not because. See, you know you did. So
he's
get in the
over
car.
here saying that my license plate.
You and I both know you obstructed, and they were, and he showed you that. He did.
It says yes.
So,
I'm not,
so we know you're expired. There's
Yes,
a probable
and-
cause
and
to
he-
stop you. Yes?
yes, sir.
Okay, right. He asked you for your license.
yes.
You played games.
No,
He
I
asked
told
you for
him
your
I-
license. No, buddy, it's on camera. It's gonna be
Yes,
played
and
for
I'm
you.
gonna tell the same thing that I was getting to, and you guys just said,
No.
"All right, put your hand."
No,
what do you mean,
played
put my
games.
hand back?
Games won you this prize.
You guys didn't even give me the
no,
option to
no.
stop.
We played a game. You won a
No,
prize.
nobody's
Yes.
playing games. The
Buddy.
ones that are playing games are you guys right here
Right,
trying to arrest me for
No,
what?
we're not trying. You're arrested.
For what?
We already told you.
No, you
Obstruction,
didn't.
suspension.
How did I
We have to
obstruct?
identify you
How did I
by
obstruct?
not giving your driver's license.
I was getting to that.
Buddy.
I was talking to him.
You're still playing games.
I was literally talking to
Well, we
him,
don't
and
need it
he was
anymore. We'll
like,
get it. So you get in the car for us.
dude, I was literally telling him. Yes, dude. Once again.
Because you're not doing
Sit in the car. Hey, fuck y'all gotta to be so rough for?
Because we asked you 15 times, and you didn't.
See, look, now you guys are on bullshit. I thought you guys were gonna comply.
Don't forget that.
Now you guys are saying the opposite.
What are you talking about? How does this work?
The containers from
It's got to be traceable.
Yeah, but it is. I think they did change the statute as long as it's like sealed.
Nick, here's his stuff.
Just weed? Yeah, just blunts.
Is blunts good? Remember passenger good to go?
Sure. I had nothing on him.
Want this?
Yep. Fuck it. Was in his possession too?
Where was this? In the bag?
In the door.
Oh, no.
Oh, never mind.
This is his bag, right? Yes. Let's just take it all.
This is Gennaro's bag.
Yeah, just don't have it.
I'm gonna throw his passport and his deal in here.
It's fine.
We got no reason to keep the car, right?
No.
No, I mean,
You come get
I
it.
don't recall getting battered. To get battered or no? He's just resisting.
It was just resisting.
Yeah.
This is an obstructing.
The suspect faces charges for driving with expired tags, resisting arrest, battery on an officer, obstructing identification, and driving without insurance. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and be sure.
Unbelievable. See, that's why he was given a hard time from the jump. He knew that he was hot. But it's always better to just, all right, you got me or whatever. I don't have driver's license or whatever. It's suspended, whatever. It is what it is. You've been riding around hot for a while now and you finally get caught. It is what it is. But doing all of that is just unnecessary and is uncalled for, man.